Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. I'm going to be your tour guide. We're at Minerals Resort and Spa in Vernon, New Jersey. And what an amazing time to be here. It is currently October 18th, 2025. This video today is going to be about everything I did on my first full day there. It's going to be a room tour, and I'm also going to be sharing with you places I decided to go check out that were within 20 minutes away. Got some steep stairs over here, no luggage carts or bell desks. Minerals Hotel and Spa is also a hotel. This is the timeshare part. I used the Minerals Hotel desk to check in, but there was not a physical key. There was a keypad to enter. When I booked this room, it said it had 2 bedrooms and 1 bath, but it had so much more than that. There is 2 full bathrooms. It's almost like 2 full apartments. I wanted to bring my mom, but I wasn't sure about how many stairs there were going to be, and I'm grateful I didn't because she would have never been able to get in here. But look at all this space. I feel so unworthy that I'm here by myself for the week. This property could definitely sleep 8 people. There are 2 king beds and 2 pull-out couches. There are 2 patios too. There's a main floor that we're on, and there's also a lower level. This has 4 stories. There is someone above me that has a main floor and then a loft. They say no pets are allowed, but she has a dog and a cat, but she's a resident here, so there are different rules. I brought some food, but I'm not sure how much I'm going to eat here because there's so many great places to dine around here. So I'm going to kind of venture around this week. Gotta love having a washer and dryer in your room. This is going to be a great office for me for the week to catch up on my videos, get some relaxation in, and just a beautiful time to be in the mountains with the fall foliage. Pretty much you don't need to bring everything. They have service for 8 people, pots, pans, everything you can need, even starter stuff like soap. Now I'm going to take you downstairs. It's like a full apartment down there. I'll be making a full video about the whole resort when I'm done with my stay. This is just my first day. In that video, I'll be giving you more details about my review of the room itself. This was much different than I thought it was going to be, much bigger. I read reviews before coming here, and granted, there could be different units in different shape, but the reviews weren't that great, but I didn't find it to be bad at all. It was pretty light and bright, and everything was in good condition. It was a little dated, but it wasn't bad. Nothing was broken. It was in good shape and very spacious, like I said. This is a whole living space here, which I turned into my office for the week. There are 2 TVs, both are in the living room areas. There are no TVs in the bedroom. They are Roku TVs, but I have not been able to figure them out. But thankfully, I had my own Roku in the car and I was able to hook that up. I could just stay here all week, but we have some exploring to do. First, I'm going to take you to Scout Goods. This was about a 10-minute drive. It is located in the Fox and Bear Lodge. Why did I choose this? Just look at the place. It's adorable. On this trip, I'm going to try to locate a lot of different historic properties, wineries, breweries, places just to enjoy the autumn air. I was just I have to see this place, and it was just stunning. There is an inn that you could stay at. We're here for some coffee and maybe a pastry. The girl helping me was so nice. They had indoor seating and little fireplaces. It was super cozy. Trying to be slick and take pictures of my food, and that happened. All right, let's try that again. This was an egg and cheese pastry and a phyllo dough. It was delicious. Super cute, cozy, comfortable place if you're looking for something that's historic. Definitely has a New York State type of vibe, but that's not surprising because we are right on the New York State line. Across the street and very close is Pochek Valley Farm. Again, I could not have picked a better time to be here. Look at this, it's beautiful. I used to buy a ton of these and make my front porch all really beautiful, but I'm never home anymore, so I just like to go other places to enjoy theirs. You could pick your own apples, or if you prefer, you could go in the store. They have them already picked. Very cool country store. There was a very busy deli in here as well. Next, I'm going to take you to a local brewery and a local winery, because what else are you going to do on such a beautiful, perfect fall day? Are you planning on coming to Vernon Valley? Let me know in the comments where you're from. I'd love to hear from you. Definitely a great town for all seasons. Very close to where I was staying is Alias Brew. Had to come check it out. They create their own beer here and they serve beer here. I do not believe this is a restaurant, but they did have a food truck. There was outdoor seating and there was inside seating too. The atmosphere was friendly. The people I encountered were nice. I went up to the bar to order. I personally like the stouts like Guinness, and they were able to get me something like that. This was a Saturday, and it was pretty busy. There really wasn't much seating inside, but there was outside picnic tables, which I really enjoyed. My final visit that day was about 20 minutes away. We're going to Warwick Valley Winery and Distillery in Warwick, New York. I chose this winery because the pictures of it were amazing. I thought this would be a great place to catch a sunset. And plus they had food, and I didn't realize they were having a big festival type thing this day. When I pulled in, it was a big line, and they're like, it's $10 to park. And I'm like, what? But look, they have tractor rides and all kinds of events going on, live bands. It was pretty cool, but I didn't end up even drinking anything or eating anything because there was such a long line. But the good news is it's only 20 minutes away and it's open every day, so I'm definitely going to come back. I ended up parking pretty far away. There was like 2 different areas. There was a singer with an acoustic guitar. There was a tent in this area. There was some seating. There was an area to purchase wine coolers, sangria. And there was also a food truck in this area. But most of the party was down the hill. So, it's kind of one of those things. If you're not someone that can walk very far, this event may not be for you. But it's a stunning property, and the people that were there were very happy and were having a great time. I noticed walking around, a lot of people had their own chairs and their own blankets. They were there for the day. You could pick your own apples, or you could buy them already picked. You have to use the porta potties, unfortunately, and by the end of the day, they were pretty gross. I honestly probably should have left when I pulled in, but I figured, hey, I drove all the way here. I might as well stay here and see what it's like. But this isn't my thing, it was just way crowded. But I definitely will go back this week and appreciate it the way I like to enjoy a winery. It definitely wasn't them. It was me. It's just not my thing. Look, there's ice cream. There was a lot of kids here this day, too. If you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, if you could give it a like, that would be awesome. And if you want to see more videos about Vernon that I create, I will eventually create a playlist that I will leave at the end of this video with all the videos that I create about my stay. Here's some live music for you. And it was an 80s band. How cool.
These are the days when you wish your bed was already made.
If you are still with me, thank you very much. You are a total rock star. I really wanted to create these videos because when I booked this, I was looking for videos and I'm like, nobody's covered this area. I really need to make some videos about it because there's so many cool things to do around here. Hoping to do a couple more what I did that day trip reports. Yeah, I definitely want to come back here. The views were amazing. It's currently day 3 of my trip, and I'm really having a good time. It's very relaxing. This is just what I needed. I needed to get out of the smoking casinos for a while. Coming up, I have more videos about Vernon. I have videos about Wildwood, New Jersey, Catskills, Resorts World, and I'm also this week going to be heading to Foxwoods Casino in Connecticut. I hope you guys join me over there. I'll be doing a full resort tour, and we'll be playing some slots. Always remember to be well to yourself and kind to others. Book that trip and pack your bags and go. Safe travels to you.